through these pipes. Let's see what we got. Let's do it like this. I suppose. Two right. Yeah. Okay, this is for full input. What about test 02? Do we have X generic 02? Cool. So we have pause, we have matrix rest. Let's just calc. Let's just calc, and I think we have. We're good with int. No, I just do size, I guess. Matrix with high. With high matrix, with high and S pause, right? This is basically calc. We take matrix. We have width. We have high, and we have S pause. so we have start position. We need some kind of steps. And we just while one, right? And we have, yeah, let's just change it to opposite. So this is Y, this is X. I suppose a hi-hat. Cool. Definition of some. Cool, so we want to find out next. We want to find out next. Zero, zero. Okay, so this one is good example. So we need to find connected pipe. We need to find connected pipe. Find. Should we do? No, I mean we could, I guess. Top. Let's just do YX. Y will be as pose. So first one is Y minus 1, right? X will be is as pose 1. So basically the same. Basically the same. What we want is if Y less than 0. Should we just do equal, I guess? Minus 1. we're using int, so let's just set it here. So if it's -1, we continue. So basically, if it's more than -1, right, then we do something. And what we do is we want to check if it's connected. If it's connected. For those stuff. Is it easy as this? So there could be something like go top. Yeah, and this is not what we want. Yeah, this is definitely the what we want. I think we should do some kind of function so I'm not stuck here. Let's do it like next pipe, and we pass by the way is const matrix. Did we just need all of these matrix with high position, right? So if it's connected, we just go through it, right? Yeah, we don't need next pipe, we just go like straight without any checks, because it seems it's connect. So if it's in Greek more than -1, if it's a Greek more than -1, Yeah, and we just keep right. We just keep. So, like in this example. Guess I'm tired for this stuff. As so this one's saying, okay, go this, then go. So we just need to find the proper direction, right? And just go through it. And just go through it. Yes, find first connected pipe. But just do it like this. Matrix, and we do data with high, right? We do matrix data with high. Yeah, and before this we just do matrix S, and we set it as matrix with high, right? So now we just give a reference. Cool. And here we take in const matrix. Cool. Now we want void find first pipe, something like this. Take a matrix. As boss, right? Top. Yeah, X, Y. And we want pointer out. And that should be 2. So if Y more than -1, we check it right, and we could, if it's let me do like this char. We do char C equal matrix data matrix data YX, right? It's not an array. Yeah, matrix. Let me do like this. Define matrix get x YX, and this will be an M, right? This will be M. The reference we were doing it here till equal oops. Cool, so this is M plus create a hide secret, and this is X, right? Yes, 0, 1, yeah, matrix get. Cool, then we can do it like this. High and I, right? Do it matrix get matrix high and I to C, and here we just do matrix get matrix data. Let's just do it like this too, and YX. Cool, and if C can do switch C, and if it's or it's J is north and west, right? So basically no, this is not working. This is the right side. We are looking for top side. Yeah. So this should be 7, I guess, right? South and west. Yeah. And is it F? And is it north south, southwest, southeast 7. Yes. Then we do out 0 as y and out 1 as x, and we return, right? Cool, so this is top. Let's check our right, and our right should be same y, but x plus 1, and if x less than matrix width, right? So if it's like, for example, 2, 0 plus 1. Yeah, then we do this. We don't do redefine. And if we look in right, it should be this one. So we connect in west, right? This one. Is it? Yeah. West, and 7. Yeah, right. So we can go right, we can go right top, we can go right left. For the top we can go top, top right, top left. Cool. If it's bottom, we do +1, and y should be less than high. And if it's then we do this one. We do L. I think it's the same, right? No, we need L, north and east, north and south, north and west J. J, right, right, and the last one is left, top, right, bottom, left. Yeah. For left we have same y -1. X should be more than -1, and then we do minus. We do. So is it? We go west, right? So from east, L, and F, I guess. East, yeah, south, and east F. Yeah, and here I guess we can assert here if we haven't find. We can actually not assert. Dude, I don't remember. C panic function. I think it's abort. Reboot. Panic. Yeah, I think it's abort or something. Abort. Yeah. And So yeah, let's me let's do it like next pause and 0 0. Let's remove this and let's just do find first pipe. We do matrix, we do expose, and we do next pause reference, right? Next pause. Incompatible pointer type. This is because is it because wait, it's functable, yeah, I expected parameter, yeah, it's fine. Wait, int. Yeah, yeah. Mm, mm, so it's already pointer. First con x. And a grec x. Next pos 0. Next pos 1. 2 and 0. 2. X is 0. What is our input then? Test. Okay, yeah, makes sense. 0, 1, 2. Wait. 2 and 1. Right. Right. 2 and 1. I'll just remove this one because it's confusing. And when we find first pipe, we just going through it, right? We just go through it. We do steps plus plus. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Mint should be fine. Should be fine. We just do. And let's just check that. Next pause, S pause. Can we just use S pause? mean, let's just use next pose 0 equal s pose 0 and we are good. Next pose 1 wait, what the fuck is this? S pose 1 switch we want C, right? No, we don't need this one. We can just take char, next pose matrix data, next pose 0, and not like this. By the way, let's do it like this. Matrix get matrix data, next pose 0, next pose 1, right? And switch C. Switch C. And what we do, let's just do it. If C equal S, then break, right? And we just checking what we have here. So it can be minus, right? Then that's mean that next pause. So we change to change X, and it should be like this. Alright, break case. Let's think about top. Can it be top? Yeah, it can. The next pose Y is case L. Then next pose if it's L, then we taken right too. Wait, yeah, what I'm doing, it depends on direction we go in. We need to consider direction. need to consider direction. I guess in this case, we don't need out. Mm, yeah, let's do direction. And what does it mean is we doing yeah, let's do it like this. We have out and we have direction. This means direction will be -1, right? And here it will be 0. For the right part, this will be 0, and for this be 1. This will be 1 and 0. And this will be 0 and -1, right? Yeah, here we want direction. Let's call it and dir. Cool. We want direction, and this is depends on. Plus equal tier 1, right? Because if we go in left and is direction the same? I guess it is, right? Yeah, direction will be the same. This will be tier 0, so if we go in top, this will be -1. If direction the same. Dude, this is kinda interesting. Next pose. So we change in X. Not on the X. Like if it's L, depending on direction, like it can be L in two cases. Yes, two cases. One is bottom, other one is left. When we go in bottom, and going left, right, that's the case. That's the case. So wait, we change the next post to direction all the time, right? Uh, is it true? Is it true? So when we find L and we were going left, what we want to change, dude, this is literally depends. So for 7 there is like several cases when we go in top or when we go in right. Yes, that should be fine here. And here we have, if our direction, this is basically all this, yeah, for L, this is the changes, like depending on direction. So our Y depends if our direction was bottom. So we were going bottom. Then we change. Basically, we go in right. Can I just do like this? I think I can do it for like every stuff. If we were going bottom, our next No, because we're changing it. If we're going bottom, then now we need to go right. And because we were going bottom, our direction was 1, 0. So we do opposite. Is it true? Is it true? Is it true, my dudes? Is it true? So we want to go, if we're going bottom, now our x will be 1 and y will be 0. If we were going left, then our y will be -1. Yeah, so this is the case. This is the case. So what else do we have? We have G. And direction is changing, right? Now our direction is opposite. Is it like this? Are we swapping it? So if we were go bottom, if we were going bottom, right, temp, tier 0. So we want to swap it, if I understood correctly. If we go in left, now our direction is -1 and 0. If we were going bottom, now our direction is 1 for x, and yeah, so we swap. Here we don't change anything, so let's now go through J, break here, J. So for J, for J, I guess it's the same. So if we were going bottom, we now setting, wait, no, for J, let's first figure out next position. So depending on direction, right? Depending on direction, and we just swap. We just swap, so I mean, so we swap, but with minus. We swap, but with minus, so dir 0. So if we were going bottom, it's then y is 1. We're doing x minus 1 and 0. If we were doing right, we set minus 1 for y, and yeah, right, we're going minus 1 for y. So it seems we swap and minus, but for direction, I guess we swap it too, but with minus, right? So if direction was bottom, now we do like this. Is it correct? So if we go in bottom, this was 1 and 0, and now we set in 0 and minus 1. Yeah, makes sense, I guess. Yeah, 7. So for 7, we have right or top. Right or top. And direction. If we go in top, direction will be minus 1. Do we do so this can be top or right, and we do swap for sure, I guess, without minus. So if we were going top, top, there should be 0 and minus 1, and now we're doing next position for minus 1 and 0. Yeah, makes sense. Or it could be right, and right will be 1, it will be 0 and 1, and now we're doing 1. Yeah, I guess it makes sense. And swap without direction. Yeah, so if it was If we were going top, this was 0, 0, 1, and now it's no. I think this is still as so we were going top. That means that we were doing 0 and 1, -1, and now we want to go left. That should be -1, -1, -1. So for 0 that should be -1. Right, and for that should be 0. And if we were going right, that would be 1 and 0. And now we change places and we got a bottom. Yeah, I think like this. Okay, we have F. If it's F, we're doing a swap, I guess, with different signs. So if it was top, so it was 0 and -1. Now we want a 1, yeah, and if we go in left, now we go in, okay, and swap directions. If we were going top, now we want is it like this? I could do it easily, but it's kind of complicated in my head. So we can figure out it later. So we swap direction, right? We go in top, now we're going right. Are we doing it all the time? I'm just curious, like for this part. Yeah, I guess. Then we have dot and s. Okay, so we good, right? We good. Fs break. Well, I think we can do it like this. If it's S, then go to end. If it's dot, but it should not be, right? It should not be. Let's just figure out. So same direction. We just change. And let's see what we have here. So we go start. We do C. And this should be C. Just do. Yeah, I mean point is fun. And in end we do printf start end. Cool, and we do D7 test, right? So, and we have this input. Oh, this 10 test, F7. Yeah, this one. So we go in J, we go in F, we go in J, we go in F, we go in 7, L, 7, J, minus, minus, F, J, L, S. I think it is the right stuff. Let's just do slash. Like this, and steps, and we have steps. Cool. Steps 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, but 16, right? 16 and 16, and we want like 1 here. And this is locked unsigned. Okay, so we good with this one, right? Now we want to, I guess, let's take more input. So we can have cool. So we have 8 steps. We start with this one, go into 7, we go into bottom, we go into J, we go in minus, we go in L, we go in boom. Wait, not boom. Dude, I fucked it. Let me change it a bit. Let me change it with like, I don't know, 2 of those, and here. Cool. Okay. 7 J L. Yeah. Cool. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think it is. I think we're fine. I think we're fine. Let's just do like this and remove printf here. Here, I think we can leave it like this, like this. Let's do GCC fast, and let's do a out. Yeah, dude, cool. I mean, at least do print and live. And we should calc this by half, right? 6,640. Is it the answer? Yeah, seems. So we do then part 1. You quickly reach the farthest point of the loop, but the animal never emerges. Maybe its nest is within the area enclosed by the loop. To determine it's even worth taking the time to search for such a nest, you should calculate how many tiles are contained within the loop. For example, the above loop enclosed merely 4 tiles, the 2 pairs of in the southwest and southeast marked I below. Are not in the loop. Same loop again, those regions marked. In fact, there doesn't even need to be a full tile path to the outside of tiles. Squeezing between pipes is also allowed. Loop and still outside the loop. And both for tiles enclosed above the loop. Here's a larger example. So I'm going boom, boom. Wait, what? Interesting. So this one is closed, I guess. Tile that isn't part of the main loop by the loop. Mm. Yeah, I guess I need to think about this. Well, at least we have part one, so I will do part two later. And yeah, think about this. I'll think. Yeah, so thank you guys to be here and see you later. Bye.